It you walk here.
Anyway,
I know that I need that to say, you know,
maybe they're dead number.
Back when I had the power.
Yeah, me prepare.
America to say,
America,
I went through my head.
Election, what baby, you know. On fan a Hong Kong. What I say?
Southern Pacific election.
On fan of Falasa.
Ghana election, Southern Pacific.
Okay, say at the end, we need a dent. You know,
I got to watch one corner. Say, one can't hear about sure.
I mean, can't I? My is my main country. I mean, can't I? What I say?
I like the way the election is going. Very, very competitive.
Yeah.
Donald Trump, who said Twitter for crime and warn you.
There's one day. Twitter no di
man one is when Yansen Funo would know.
Twitter no di bunimai.
On blocking the chat say. About you I can't hear. And I'm anyway, we are not make court. And I'm also moving. Oh, there. I am and I say, Uncle Hobie and maybe a channel.
That's what you say.
That be
comfortable happens.
That was not comfortable for a court first. Oman a court in the first. But Supreme
answer. But the end of me, Oman the end of some answer.
Beginning is also Yanu with the enemy. Comfortable leading.
And I'm making.
What can see? I'm for a white now. I could declare you. Someone here and saying, or try and be a
Matana answer Bofonka. Sana me cement matters or Ghana. But no maintenance. You told me you be coming to go. Muana Metis, and Crophobia co attacking any idea. Oh, it's me, I'm sure, me Ghana number, so me boom, maybe I'm Jenny for me because I don't go to Ghana. It's a Siana Macao, say, or my maintenance can say anything in a matty. But the number for Rome is here, say, oh, campaign in Tinama. Maintaining can but okay no se saa de na nkofoka o se propaganda obia mono
nobody abuna na
okay obia attack obia etina na se manya so okay de abaduma
na ban etiso no ofilandia ba o sa ba behwe no
etina na yaduma
na propaganda
we are busy de kra unua de eso otimi na transit market grant bibia ni
kwaku America kro me spell no aboso ma me ARKANSAS
fama me na me hwe na said the work can do.
Oh, ARBD can. ARDN. Alabama. There be AROS Alabama.
That's a me who ARO.
Jeffrey's Robano. I'm can say.
Arkansas who say one.
Couldn't say Arkansas. Arkansas.
Na and no me go back could be din. In fact, in my lap, me take one. And you go America, me come refi, and let me defeat you. Me the 52 ni nyina nanam na de it's Alabama mo ayefo de meje atum de head na memo aboa me because Alabama de metima aka Alaska, Arizona and I say Arkansas America for make us in yes Saudi yes am fine yeah de no me to
Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut okay kwaku ba ku ezo DL
fama me
DELAW Delaware me tia se o me rehearse as me say Delaware na titi se kwa to wase na Delaware ko meku Delaware onye Florida, Georgia, Hawaii says
emre
Hawaii WH Hawaii
WH is say
and the minti Hawaii
me
kwaku WHA
what the farm na
HAW Hawaii the
Indiana Iowa na wako
ka baby Hawaii dem ka
okay
Hawaii
India na person me hear spelling
Hawaii kwaku na yi
Iowa bi so
kwaku bi so ho and the minti Idaho ana IDAHO
all the mommy I'm here na me amaka ma
Idaho
I just I know kind of me refi
Idaho
omo how they pronounce it be
obi say Idaho
why Idaho
obi square on about say was Idaho kwaku IDAHO we say me nyɛ say what the crowd that
there way
IDAHO America state ni ba ko no IDAHO
o de remember my wife for school kakana
and me dem can Idaho Idaho so ho
okay you know Arkansas you cannot Arkansas.
And then Arkansas.
Miko via me train you.
Arkansas. And now Kwaku American phone call to Australia then I inquire akoma yensa e I know you are there.
Then I may say the name.
Elianos.
Illinois.
Illinois. I'm going to say.
And shut man noise name was
it's name my own. Illinois. Now as somebody my one. Illinois. And Indiana. And a lower. So lower than one no.
And you lower
Iowa. Upper you lower. Lower. Iowa. Now the Otro IOWA was Iowa. Lower. Kansas. Kentucky. Kentucky their fries in Jamaica. And Louisiana. Kwaku emi to be more MAI. Any Maine.
Huh? Maine is one day. Kwame. MI. And the way they all be from Maine.
The American for Mutie no. I had much church Maryland so home. Massachusetts there and the
Maryland they say
and Michigan and Michigan and
there's a wow Michigan
Minnesota Mississippi and Missouri Montana
Missouri
and Nebraska. What in Nebraska? Says Nebraska. Nevada. New Hemisphere. New Jersey. New Mexico. And New York. North Carolina. North Dakota. Ohio. Oklahoma. Oregon. Pennsylvania. Rhode Island. South Carolina. South Dakota. Tennessee. Tennessee, I don't got to.
No, I catch you. No,
I'm not going to.
Tennessee.
And I Utah. Book back. Utah.
Prior.
Utah. What was that?
Yes, I
never cannot film this hour for Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia.
So the film be or they can do.
Then there's a Wisconsin.
And I don't know.
Wisconsin, only school was in. School was from Wisconsin. Last one, they mean,
I don't know.
Because the breeding why me who be that WYOMIG. Last one, it's off for a while.
They're just a coffee or the fat ones.
My friend, Waymin. It's Waymin so count. South State singing on the two about. Are you president? Ama the United States of America. I couldn't say America, so the Obawa now called a chibia. It's about 2 years. And young was a Ghana stations who are Croman Crawford. Said last 4 years, Obi Frijo FM echo report to you. Something who said Obi report because America election will be so Kwame Kasa. Now, do FM 4 will be called last 4 years. Echo report to you. And who said if you have Kwanso, America is here on a report. Kwaku says about to know I I just say, who the winning? Who the winning? Just say, oh, more than be about that
by a close of day,
and then come away. Oh, you are for who?
I am for anyone.
Never be open. My wife saw support to one. Can you on the cat? Also, the wife support to the semi million about Macola, Calentez, or Papa, or so Betty was one bedding one on the bed, a chair. I don't know. I said, don't now they are especially blacks, no. Oh, but a baby in one. I say Donald Trump. A dear Brofunia on Bay, when the boss on the band, and no, your mom, some trouble man is on. Let me push the back on there or church on one trouble, whites, Latinos, and then blacks. Now, send the whites in the vote to know. Numbers was so crow. And almost don't know to Donald Trump.
Dakota no cry na
I'm going to see it.
When say you cannot Dakota.
You know, they will come home.
With the I say a Krobi war, Krobi crowd simple country, Denmark. There's a city over there, almost friend.
Copenhagen.
There be almost friend, and you're Copenhagen, almost friend, Scannerboard.
Hey,
now Scannerboard no share spelling now. Ubeka no scanda
but yes I net here
so say en kan sa ade so me hwa me stress spelling NBA ni on so scanda
but when you spelling
nti edu ba bia it takes those people who are there no to know it better.
Award winning journalists wabanti manako abana award winning journalists
obani it say
okodayo
so ohwe na nim kura obu say
odida obreo
adrodro na nim ani ade a
oh yes
sa aya fakura nya Tibedu na age nyana do so wo nana ukuru ahini bani
okay
ayi na make
still
ukuru ahini still
oh
na aka enfie be se edubi na
do video go wa bra ko ma chi sorry
ne de bia na e gine
Anthony
yeah
ewo Ofie Kwanso group no na ose ye wish ne son happy birthday na your friend no bright Anosigbe
bright Anosigbe
Anosigbe I hope say pronunciation is yes so dey na mo find
kwaku nyame ya Adom a 14th of November ade che me birthday 15th na Ghana Premier League no yasa achase a ye bebo na signings akoso pop amamfo e wosika ato players na asamoja and na the latest because on transfer day na ye close window na ye sign no and Lagos City sign asamoja it's one of the top signings apart from that no foreigners bebre na abakrum ha intimanya da age akuruchire aya ahoho aba ebesi akan ni bi nti quickly no asana opani beka bi memfa edin atudwa
America for na send me voice bebre
ya kika nyina kwa
kuni na pronunciation o de kwa kuni pa mo twan medufi a memodi na atie na next time
kwa kuni nim sama ti pa so me man America no mo koma mfa manko
Abed Bonda send bi on America da ba so say how Kwame is mentioning the names of the states in US is like he's mentioning first 20 elements
akwana no ya pa o wodi ba temo woni 20 elements no
oyobia nani sound pa
asehu
kwaku edin je ne edim ne yakeka no mimi ye menim na maka
uta no kra na ka wa gadu ne krom say dabi Utah
no for no crew ataman kase nka mi nkanti
Utah na ba kono so na na o kan no
ataman point mi nkanti
kwame ba kono so mo say yakoete woyomi ba kono yakoye
edin se woyomi okay
edi omo aron bebre abatu da moto mbo ase
amre se ye bebo kra tie ni
du via why
because me say me
see am die dey
me first abrochire pa say be America for refuse me abrochire di kam pa kopa America
why you mean
just me susu nkro ni bo opani aye Fabio Gama ana ni di kai ofri Brazil mamu team aye fer Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana assign no afei Ali Isa ono Interallies ofri Nigeria ana Interallies so assign no Al Hassan Tuari Betel United ono ofri Mali ana
Hassan
Traore ana say
Traore
you Turi any what
where Traore
Traore
Traore Traore
Traore
ai Al Hassan Bidu I am from Mobo, any Tuari. We have 2 pound times I play. Ana Bouabakar Sadiq.
Abubakar
where Bouabakar. And Abubakar Bouabakar.
Boabeng.
And who BOU.
No BOU a boa.
Boa.
Abubakar no one.
Someone spell Abubakar.
Abubakar.
Bouabakar Sadiq.
Sadiq enya Sadiki
wo mu ade na
na tiere kwa enya Sadiki
SADIKI
mewe
mo yoni edin de mo yoni ye o edin de
anyway
Abubakar na
ai but where is Sadiki ai kwa ku din de mo nya mo tre was edin de edin bi wa sound wa sumpa but na enya sa ye bono
ayo
sankrafo din atwa easy wo se edin e popular pa but what we na wo ka ya me kan so tmase afei ya wo eye Mohammed Below as good for na san ofri Burkina Faso e no buy ai Below no Mohammed Bello
and now see below
now person obobo consonants ni vowels ni wo ni nyina
there be say America ina no obobo no eguso
me ka tell am so ana fe
unim so wodi di enti say the okofa America din be boy
na se kabitika boy asa ana aye Vane Boakai Sando ono so Karela United e Liberia
na nipa de hudi bi abaman mu yes screen won de
e pa cho Karela fo nya house fo we ofri Liberia na be besti akai e Ghana Abdu Mamani Lawali Accra to fo
Onfa de aka ni je fridge mu.
David man on afen no do has de no.
League na fe ne ba be bona ye ka foreign signings 10 pe na me bo ama.
Okay.
For top 10
tiri da do aboboy na 10 na nrui.
There be top 10 foreign signings and na me bo so ama we. Na wa Ghana league no se ne e be ko. We be players ni free na e kire wo se league na be bo no se be ti apo na enti apo a. Wa nkwaku enti na me pese atiefo ehunu no. Vane Boakai Sando ono ye Karela United for of Liberia. Afei Abdu Mamani Lawali ono Accra House of Folk for ofri Niger na Danjuma Kuti Accra House of Folk ono to free Nigeria
go as no
Eric Dizan Accra House of Folk ono to free Eric Dizan oya say
mo Niger baako Nigeria baako na he Ivory Coast
and Ivory Coast baako Nigeria Ivory Coast
na he fa bi
katoko so Brazil and was I wo na Britain Brazil nko a eko wasi usinsan bi
o da bi Brazil na hwan bi kan
katoko players no
it's a foreigners ni nyina nko aka nko afa bi gama nko
a ono pa na aka is aka mo Brazil top player ba ko pa I can't wait say start game ni keke na kotoko first match afobo za kwa no odo ahwede enya bo no obo true pass we to obey achi na kwa hala kofa
odo ahwede
say like
is it one pipe bo no
empa champo for je phone na abo no atiefu amutie
officer ya na efrem ntimi ni masem ko hwede ya no be kra na mpani
kwaku kotoko asan players pa bebre na udi kan court na woni bem ade say agro no ya start ne ehun say ne airco na ebe hu say etesen kwaku na mebusa mpanifo se omaye bibia ready ana se eda na ebeso omaye aka se bueni nti na ebia na ball ya nya amo. People have paid players for all this while since March enema to appeal in football mu no a players didi has players is say omo ayi fantifo e ho babia na nra umi ate asa babia da na nya no or that telam te facility no one of the best important ho and how to folk wo and no ye pere me ko boy chire say ade na papa ikasa me ya sa
baby o si ama nkola no
ade dan ye nkola dan
na de onim
uti kro mo
si nkola dan
te say
nkola dan
wasi academy
kuma kura dan hu susa o dan
wasi academy kama wo ho
ana msi wasi ma nkola
wasi ma nkola
wo be kra na toilet pot ngiti kwa ko boy twitwim sa
Tikwaku or that tell them to a facility the one house of folk
enya facility
facility na wo say no I want house of folk for yakobo yes say
na yes am birthday
uni asame
David Sami would send on the birthday October imu ya
na so kasa
we Sami Katie driver
ejakoto
ni papa no
David ejakoto we unze adibi o a e wa bakwasem wan chemu a obi tia ga ze ejakoto ze o de ma chim na ankrofo
na mo fena ejakoto
kwagu chim na mo ntia ase
na
eye ko Easter program ya ekuya
na ekeju amame ewo toba kese pa wo
obomi kromu a dete obomi central pa
oh yes
time so possible
obi na last year yenya ekoto anwe no
me no dey go didi o
say na mami me and the dusty openi na obi akra sa aka ho
na ayu aka ho
na nkofo na manfo
na ko ngoto no so minim se bipo no so no mutini nti o won abobbo anyinyi pa
mu fra from prince
ba ko brade na chi wonwi
da bi na e won na ho na afu abasoro
okoto wonwi
yesebu ye no maame no so yin yem sebu ye pa
because of kejua ntino maame no to mo ase ye fine pa
yi ma ye ene ekoto no butufufu so adunu se
waji space
Tuze di bana
ade fa no kotopuni
o peja na de na da
edi opuni na wona free o
enti ba sa no ehunu na ye kakra
itina
enti
unim
androsi pro ye pani no kra no wantimi anwi na pre no ba akokra
owe said you can there we ama ye ya he am ti atwam na ne say the crane in Okoton went oh guys the oh yeah I say oh person best and the dust is and the angry kwame ti otwom ni say cotton ye ntimi anron die ye ron ada enam na ne ade enam na na e ka cotton nti e apena keji driver sami ono so ya no na cotton mo say cotton unya za no wonya cotton papa na mo yesa ne so pani e ba ni cotton e ya je ensem no so wo ene wo cotton mbra
unya no ma we politics tuntum ni bi ma no
o dari o di kan ron o we bra ye no
o we be for ho e no se aka no o ntimi nya no je se o re kwa abrosan so wa so tell so soro pa na
no da so no
o top floor
anti di wi ya kogi ahome ansa na
ya ba nwumi abes
program no
eti e ba e ja no ho no mo a ye ko se of run na o ko run it
obobomu a
o be bi enkoto ni obeni man wi koto ya ma ye ko je ahome esi mu a ye kwa tibie
akoko ya djuma no
ye to ye ni no gina so no no atese
ana so wi koto
as assignment ko si tu ya man se wa wi koto na mo ma
ba oya one fantastic man
yeah
ono an driving CEO ko si tumbe e ko ba bia
o say gentleman
yeah
okay so timi drive because tuma on gentle
onu say no mframa e bakra ontimi nyi because oni pani nam ontimi nyi mframa abra
ba asema okay dangerous ba
oh yes
fan say ade train pa because ontimi nya mframa abra ko si ti akire
wo fa adwene se be ya ibedidi
company e be ko
mframa mo no sa when is our same man adwene
and so osua akwan it be hold for some time
so no pa o tena we no so
it is am happy birthday wa nyami show na
osia be kya ya
dia anya kama pa
wa jeje mu
se di obi ebonnet no na
jeje
edu ba bia otimi yesa de o check type pressure ne ade na
we see be jam happy birthday fantastic man driver of course you
I said ebi nto da on
say o ba bi na untimi njam
yeah even wa ka kra no utimi ya die bia na eya o se si form na ekobra ansa no asa
that any some rolling down
ebi wo no ma eje akonwa no mu
den kwa
gwa bia no odin
ene na sa no wonta nya wana no
kan ka se traffic wo mu a traffic na chi na
oni pa ko no obehia jesu no bi
bagu me dey problem bia me nya ayi weja ana me mage bi lift ga no me hu na me fo se bia me ka so ntram won ntram kwa kumi ya se me park ya ga yes oba pen se mfram yi
eje won sem ani ele se de wan sheda se oye no ebi ti me je won sem sa
ana man de
etu oba front me so ntram chire ona so obi antie ni ga no so nim de antie me so ngoto chire but this antie ni wo adope
o so kai se mu share na do ye pizo
abofra
we say owo na wo ya and onim say na eba but onim na so obeto so a ata say bibi na champagne
on ti ase da o very hard cross
so owo na wo ya dia say
adesu fu ani hu
e nipa ho adwuma ntinkanya hwe
fama mom de hu
kwa ya say kotokofo asan Suleiman Tare nua
Muniru one of the best midfielders
oba mo hope the best midfielders here wo dia sa na wo tie
yes I player na opeso hu ne ho asem a ko YouTube na bo
kwa YouTube akwa na bakosem nyina wa ha sei teams awabo nyina wa ha sei wabo ayi yeni malataya sport yeni malataya sport
what is sport na na say e Turkey wabo a store
Romania Giants e from CFR Crouch
dia Crouch no ze Crouch
na se ejeda wo Crouch
na je na ben na je be yetro
CFR Crouch and wabo and also call Portugal kobo Tondela kwa ku tips amapo so nyina ha no team a de ka
ale ni na market
eda Samina Odin Krama Papa said na yanka nshira sem bia se ko
me ka se nyami nshira di na
wanti ni yenti se si subi e kra na fa yewra honhum pepe worship bi na
ene same de on se yesumutu nshira mu
na odwemu ana
ya bi ontwam yesumu atum tim se de o mane di kan eron ye no se ne ma no eto me nkra o
sa enkola ni tie na wo so yesa no ase de openi wo
da bi eno de ma ye ndadada o da bi tie ma ye nkola ne de na ma ndadada tie
koto so timi wi abetima we korowa
still am sa de koto ya bam tie enkola ne de no maron wie dada o hwe wo de mama me just a minute endukura na me kan enkola ne de no om de buy o say good morning we are no panom om de send me o this is a warm birthday wish to our beloved daddy.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy, for everything that you've done for us.
Okay.
We can't imagine what our lives would have been without you in our lives.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Daddy, from your children and your beloved wife.
As a tribute.
We really cherish you as our daddy. What I say?
And pray me no say friendly match be a cost for crowds of folk and proud United. Has asem you first half
na because I know so many media man ebo
there be no dey amaso dey and dey ebo ye proud United team omo so omaji omudin wo hom pa
omaji omudin
anti asom 2-1 mpre asom 2-1 enti na dey ewo ho no has a folk here ni agro 14th no obehu team no ama wani age kwaku obeba betena aka say the house na ya kan wasem the house ni nie media men kasa be bri
Boroni aba ma Pochettino apam no nti is
Pochettino wo team ono wo timi na akopam obi broni no na ba ono na asan akokwagu ono na ba ye ono na wasan akọ opani abrantie bi a menim se wote na asene nkomo a ono the first person a ye san yare wo ace kra ebia ye san yare ama ace free ni mu kra je se wa ene je se oni ace bi de man ye ne se enye ace ni kwa no wo ko na emom na omo ye bone marrow transplant na uri ba
bone marrow so ma de kro
say now o we na mo a
echim no
we aponche a the joint no so say hono ye de pa
enya no
echim na shemu no
dompeni mu no
dompe no call inside na nkasa
ade o you
tell me finish say na
ya beto ni mu no
and bone marrow yeah nto mo ye bone marrow transplant man no na uri ba kwa de ne ye man no na ono wo gene bi a etimi any ace mo ane kon a just ace no no sa kwa no ace ntimi nya no say ye o sa ni pani bi wo mo ye very few but ace ni bi ko ntimi nya o nti akwa ye nsa man ace ni ko kra na ace ni enya ni biem na when na leukemia bi so betwi ni ti the same person no na leukemia no ede ne ko
say na che say den akọ bekọ abekọ
say no pani na mu bi say wo yare no wangu a
arechichire na ye enchire se ungu biem
ya fan che mu hwamma sofo eski
SK Chanama me pa
o tia irrigated sports pa
very fantastic man
on fani agro
se ko se de bi onu fa ya wi anu baba
so for SK when you chow pa na me kan ya no wa chow wife for mama why
our wife won ada so no bi na wife
our wife da
se ti bibi sa ko se keke
o se for SK o se o na obi a onim ni se de onim man ya sen da na
so fa no wife match ya ti bibi sa
our wife fantastic woman
okay na wo kan so obi anyi a wo yire ba nyo obi anyi no wo yire ana ko ni mo bua oba ni bia wo yire
David
abranche we de kra wa sune we de wanya awuko na
mame mpa mu mienu sesi ya na ye nto asoso na de omu ne say electromat say sesi no or huge discount big deals pina amazing deals and na ekoso e wo na kache wo ene say enei all top brands. So what I say Samsung, Philips, Beko, sa edino, sa product here on the media no. Say you abroad from one can say also Ghana can media abroad from yes omokano my dear. Just say my dear.
My dear.
I say my dear media ya product here to ya. And you say media say
free in
aye
my dear.
To say my dear.
My dear.
And then the media ya ya de no mu a. Etini na bi so what I say Nasco ne Panasonic ne LG ne de kenkan bebre na etibra Ghana's #1 multi-brand electronic retail outlet na ebejo de LED TVs, smart TVs, home theater systems, refrigerators, freezers, gas cookers, washing machines. In fact, BBL here bia ni na no huge discount and a that's so oba no aba bejo de Electromat, your world of electronics. Ya tete so big pa na achi big friend 055 275 5456 and our fee 055 277 7905. Terms and conditions there when you say there at Tarimu Lumatron also and they can for the amount. Hopefully feverish When you get nice utipa ubi ne ade na nemua. Di kan call round test no. Or tested positive for malaria. Pay immediately no amount saka Lumatrona. Your penny dear ni omo frade. Ebeboapa. Available. Our pharmacy shops out doing name across the country. Do pano Nisi Pharmacy frame 020-830-5676. Na wajin rudum. Lumatrona. A trusted anti-malaria for the whole family. Na enwechi no Airtel to go says say no. What's around pebia? We are welcome off for a demo war for 6 solid months. Obe enjoy free morning calls from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Yes, a very simple. Mount Sanka new Airtel to go SIM. Now make a transaction with Airtel to go money. Then you get free Airtel to go morning calls for 6 months. Where you can register or Airtel to go money so that they are simply dial *110#. Now what's selected option 2. Then you subscribe for the morning offer. Now and wait as little as just 2 cedis. Now also wait me I share concern for free every morning. Be anti waste time to Airtel to go SIM here. Now also wait me akoswa kasa Airtel to go money. Life is simple. And now said na ye kan. Na elia ye kika say ujam frama na ka emu ni ade ujam frama na emu hu saa. Chese won tan nya na yi. Omo ntimi nko toilet said yes so omo kono no. Saafo no yi frama kan. Etimi bo bi yare. Ma san kan jaisu WMP capsules. Uyembe passive free, ube na correct said the na asan prevent high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, na fi excess fat and gas na clear no. And your black man and black woman booster so and no boa and my immune system no way ding. Let me fight against every disease bia. And rain undi if 12 years ekwa untimi enumbi. Ebi wana na boache heba tema community 1 AA mensa na fi nimde heba otakrade Kings Walk and our Repatch Ventures and so ewo eye Okanshi and afi other herbal shops no enyinemu na also wakwa akwajo de yes our phrase 0244 529 398 and 020-826-3357 na ni nyinemu no say yare bi na etete so abetimi abaga so ba clinic ya wa blekuma olebu 626 down let your boss ya show come up and more UK no more Fred Dr. Shadrack Kwabna Inchakwa na mumbuki appointment or Melton Kings and no plus 44-744-071-0664 na ya show come on Jason Herbal Clinic, the home of natural herbal medicine Sankratwe FDA Muaja to say finally Nokia and they or the Android phones are back. Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, Nokia C2, another sleek Nokia Android smartphones. Yeah, we bia. Koyipa edema. Yamana more megapixels. Sabi abitminya quality, beautiful, clear pictures and videos. Come on, pa. And one long-lasting batteries. So na AC2, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other apps no perfectly well. So account they will be jumpa. Available. Our phone shops. I hold on in them. I my fana baby. I do pano. Georgia phones or Doko traffic lighter. Mrs. Obebe come on. Nokia connecting people. All right. Last and Shasonafi. Yes, also. Wait, I do it. My to me Instagram where you cry. Got on our own Jordan. No, I'm saying, wait, and yes, first day, I'm not going to say, Obi na ashe diet to bia na kotona uni de mami wu say you say kotono o change from ne sabako to ne sabako so hwe a video ni ya abra na dot no e she ne sabako e no change from ever ne sa left e no de call right say nipa ye no say nipa ya wo ye na e no bo dot na o de atie for mo ko Facebook go na mo ga de ha no o de hwe o be exchange e de free ne sabako dia ko ne sabako o bo dot na koto one e tell say dot you no e wisi ko emu mo twa asa wo kwaku emo ni nipa nkasa difference na wo mu no kakra bi o ba koto we nipa hu mi ya ko ready nipa hu bi ko rasa koto emu ya dwen na so kakra ya di bi ti o e se mo na o twa no jam di man sa we wa mapa o twa pof wa mapa Kotoboga. Kwaku. America de e koso de Bagana house e beto aba. Na enipa mfuamfu anwotwe bia
almost some could not content. Omo ya NDC for. But they didn't only go NDC mu biem. Omo ko content crow. And I go open independent content crow. And now partner said there be sad dia very penny na when you na 18 ponye 8. Oni nyina we you.
Ya ka ho asem wie kra.
Cheche bi da bi media we say say ma pata. Politics ya.
Uchiri kuka ni ma. One asase ya ka uni. It is a party no ja party no independent ya. Ya pamu free party ni.
Asa MP party ni mra. MP so try bi so kwa ba still with the majority.
Oh, masa.
Look at MP.
John Boy Dukasa I want things.
You every party.
Munya butrema me. Upon every parliament we interview. No buta kwa interview ni say. I am coming from the parliament right now and I'm sitting with the majority of parliament.
Only case ni.
Ono de no
ya to abana man. MPP MP.
Yeah.
Awo.
So be dem order.
And the MP no because party in the president as candidate to abama because they say we declare say oko independent. Independent na oko no. It's also my every party. What you say? But tonight ya to abama in term of office in so. It's a legal issue. Yes or no.
Itu ano de no he. Itu ano de no. Ka compim say be to abawie. Sa
the constituency no.
And said sa parliament we you be dissolve afoforo be sa be hase no. Oguso MP.
So MP before some person be bomb side work.
Na say
necessary almost say you wadi.
Ogina o man nkrofo about
person but not MP.
What I say per law no. You to Obama wa. Unyina ho ma party ne nko a. Okay. Ogina o man ni pe o person so nyina.
Enti we mu no de je say efi na ekonde o mu nya NDC for bi MP this.
Ya ho won.
Ya you already.
Na kwakude na ya mom ko independent na.
Say bebre.
Ebi ho no mu a na amama nkama asem wom. Ebi wa na asisie wom. Ebi ho no mu na ekwan e fa so. What you say?
I am a 19 year old.
I can see any ye ni free one na say odi nkugo no.
Say
na kwaye ne say papa
say kwadu ba mo hori.
Kwadu ba say so obi ankanya so papa te kran ko be ko content grow. Because abaye say antru ya say wi ana wi na ba.
Wanya ba bia shinti on shewa.
Sa on pe mpini bi.
Oh, MP no be di kra echi. So o fie kakra won ni. Kwadu onyi sa.
Say my ba ku yi ekọ nanim chen won nti no.
Da man be kwaja no.
Oh, there be cancer. Even retirement basis cry no.
MP retire.
Oh, na say
o ti aye no na so ko parliament. MP retire.
On the San George had.
Who say adusa press an konko ko.
Ja politics na yen kan football.
Ka football.
Say team house of folk mo say da ni. Asem papa bi asi.
Ka ko to asem papa. Ye bo friendly match.
Different.
And they be ball 14.
Only friendly matches are yabo.
And they one come dey makame dey.
Openi Adakoja chi project na eguso.
Sana pop my zuguso.
Sisi ameka say mo ye electricals. Ti dey make no. Mo ye electricals.
That be say two different things because we cannot compare the two.
Yes. Mummy no musuban. Akwa to say MPP ni NDC.
Me fa.
Oni pe kan ase mane kan won so go dey for macha sa na e den.
Obi a me koko farm na wo ya garden. Me compare kra me di agro to the opani kasa.
Edio.
Na kasa mu makin.
Edio.
Me ko to amu awi o ya maso.
Africa sa majaika.
Opani. Yeah, you see ultra modern training complex. Our facilities outdoor. Say me can say Star Assurance company for no mudin commoding den phase 2 of that project no. Omo na ebia omba be sponsor. Nkata asem ni bibia egu omanim. Nyame adoma ochana ya wada. Efiada CEO of Kumasi Asante Kotoko na ya mponsa. Oko yuka bruchimem. Openi ye ni agro. You run a professional football.
Ghana. Yes, one talks on cry on hold.
In fact, my mentors.
Okay.
My mentors. Be you. Obeni, of course, Saramtin. You can bruch mem. Na Kotokone Saramtin, say partnership. What I say? A football partnership, football business.
Saramtin and Casano does it.
Oh,
go on, Chelsea.
Is a Moana more
Chelsea, and you
Muna Muni, Monam go for Chelsea. Muna Muni,
I want to knock us all your day.
Say, and that from one. What you Frank Oginasi opening? Muna Muni, Monco for Obeni, Yanis Saramte for a dinkita holding daily, say no partnership. Now, partnership, no, a mutual benefit. Bronika se mutual benefit and they say obi abenya ne yonko so mfa so se ko ba se kotoko team no e o players bi e feel so more more kosoro asaramte for na ni ji omo ho a o metima ko no makọ trials no ma sign om ye oni ma kitikiti bo so a say training coaches training
Sadanti player be kotoko Sadanti player be kotoko ana me se busa so say e mutual e na me busa say the Sadanti players ni be kotoko ana ana mbete mu
obani ye coaches betimi akọ course so ho e umu a se na anu yanka ye tu kwan a covid by nti asa cancel sa trips no se ye pese ku training to betimi akọ UK Southampton nya ku use some facilities ni dey training e bie boys nani ti se players bia o so kanea e wo e park so a no mu bi o musunsun achi ni e hye wo mu okrom ha ya so light no hwe ni sunsun za no di agire ta
ona kwa Africa ko se o to ba e
obani no di ni sunsun achi what you say
Adom abre
o stadium bia ohun ade na ye dwunso mu no kro mpeso obadwunso na hye no no de bobo ni nyina wan sisi okrom ha but yen kan go agire obani Ofie Southampton onani be kire Italy na ye ne area for one contract ho nsensem no e kwa kowie na yaje ye jesis ni ade e de aba nti wasi asante kotoko de
woni area for
se ye kasa bibia ko kama na ye ne mpanimfo akasa se jesis ne ba o ma replica ne mrantem ye kotoko supporters ye to replica jesis pa
China
bisa strike
China na
oh
China no moto and more
ya boko bi kra say omoto
mo de na
obi
ato ye so mo famra no colors de ante se won de ko eda wa bruchire obani colors de ante se won de ko abruchire team be na won zen colors mo nguna be brezi so hu ama enkofu ya bokagu aboka
area
just so de by 5% kroman
area ne be ba e okroma ya area ne be ba
okratia wa no gugwa se nya na anu ya samsidi ye ko je ba ku
area powder so buru gwa be ba de on koso nka area ne be ba
ama ambro for nsesi for
aka me kura se me kwaje passport or something din ho se abroche
area
se abroche area ya mo na
acha sa ndi obeko o hwa na ira
o da bi se ira bra ma be passport we kwa kuku nim se
ayi omo ye traveling to aya na ayi no
doso
for
da bi ayi na be ha me pa kwa ku UK we lockdown
anaye ka ni na ya ka wa so afi na say
da me ntie ye me bra fra me ne no ka jem se lockdown ba mu timi tu kwan nto me ba be di bronya nto we bi eska wo ho a esa wo fam bokora ba Ghana cause landing lockdown the high lock here
down eska ho asa wo fam ba besa
cause
unya bedru a ye hu ne say yare ntina wodwane ba bedwodwo ho
e dey aye beje dey
wa ba de wa ba
e beje dey
beje na ti ma min so bia
yare ntina me ba dey
Debi
okay
so ba o nyare nti ye den na
Okay, well, say good afternoon, Jay. My name is Edward Ohene Mensah from Tesco, London, and I would like to express my thanks and praises to the Most High God for all His guidance and towards me and my family, especially Eresi and Agnes Jimfua, both in Pollard's Hill, Mitcham. Okay. So we dem try so
kwa kuyenche kwa plumber so
kwa plumber
fantastic plumber no te Ghana ni a plumbing company wa bruchi
any odiska
kwa odi osa ba dey ya na se da bia we ko abawe bi dem so ko na yi na tade akura bi nche no
so na dey
boss so sa nto no so occupational hazard office no
but omunye sika pa microphone dey
so say awoba say pipe na pipe
omunye sika papa
awoba na pipe no my block na paisa
omunye sika
kwa kuna se December asata me na awoba bruchi no wo
ye uramu anu no
awomu bremu anu na bruchi not for me.
Okay.
Let me press summer time near time.
Happy birthday, Nkoma Kingsley Thompson, aka Nana Wuta of Malam. May God richly bless you. Okay, we feel Eric Adom, Nenchen, and Otosa.
What's on Thursday? And our son, a year lunch, a year Premier League night.
More launch.
The Ghana Football Association is pleased to announce that the launch of the 2020-2021 football season will take place on Thursday, November 5th, 2020.
Good. Samia J of Front Page Ghana atonkra or say a happy birthday and come my sweet sister Sarah Kisi of Adenta Pantine Hospital. Today is her birthday. Wish her all the best for me. Or say Iki Samlu of Front Page Ghana and a Tosa and Cray. The basic na okay, say to so or say happy birthday call Emma Ellie Jogbeti of Armed Forces Central Band 37 Military Hospital. Have a very wonderful and fruitful day, full of God's blessings as you celebrate your birthday. From Set Several. Kasa.
I Nasa Crosswado Yan Channel and I feel Charity Ben and a Black Jar. Also, what Texas Black Jar. I mean, also I voice me. I said, American Kurama Bona Mamuni and Tina. My voice note na Bremno. But they met me on my own.
Yeah, first like I said, my Go TV. Go TV said big things are great, so men settle for small things. Choose to Go TV. And what to me, I enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sports because the big boys are back in town. Men's like a cry. Mount Sanka Go TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis. Samsung a bit me upgraded to Go TV Max. Now and I'm with me and the best in sports, best in entertainment, best in football, in fact, best in everything. Yedina asomo. Come pa. We nya pa bia na akotna. Better feel no show while Go TV. So stay connected. Ewa bra who use my Go TV app, pay by the point or any mobile money agent near you. Go TV. Leave it, love it. And also and share ya and no. Afe yakwa nimu no. Na ye ka wo say enei MTN pause and chill no so no ejinamu den and remember say utimi any point na the so you answer better your favorite mashup bundle no on *567# or on the MTN pause app to stand a chance of being one of many winners to win up to 5,000 Ghana cedis, food and shopping vouchers, and lots of data from the 1st of October to the 30th of November 2020. So keep mashing up to win large. MTN Pulse, just be. We're there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. And the order, and that's what it is. Okay. If you want to, na yaba. Yanka the akano engum ewa Adom